Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Report channel. Today we've got something super exciting for you, a detailed review of the stunning 2025 BMW X5. Get ready to be amazed by this beast's design, performance, and luxurious features. Starting at the front, the 2025 BMW X5 boasts an aggressive yet sophisticated look. The iconic kidney grille has been refined, making it more prominent and giving the X5 a bold presence on the road. Flanking the grille are sleek, adaptive LED headlights with a new light signature that not only enhances visibility, but also adds to the X5's futuristic appeal. The sculpted hood and sharp lines give the front fascia a dynamic and muscular stance, making sure it turns heads wherever it goes. Moving to the side, the X5 continues to impress with its athletic profile. The pronounced wheel arches house stunning 20-inch alloy wheels that provide a perfect blend of style and performance. The character lines running along the sides accentuate its sporty nature, while the chrome detailing adds a touch of luxury. The side mirrors are not only aerodynamically designed, but also come with integrated LED indicators, ensuring you're always noticed. At the rear, the BMW X5 doesn't disappoint. The redesigned taillights feature a sleek, three-dimensional look, and the LED technology ensures they're bright and clear. The dual exhaust outlets integrated into the bumper add a sporty touch, and the rear diffuser enhances aerodynamics. The overall rear design is both functional and stylish, perfectly complementing the X5's powerful performance. Step inside the 2025 BMW X5 and you're greeted by a world of luxury and technology. The cabin is adorned with premium materials, including leather upholstery, wood accents, and brushed aluminum trims. The ambient lighting sets the mood, while the panoramic sunroof lets in natural light, enhancing the spacious feel. The driver-centric cockpit features a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch infotainment display, both seamlessly integrated into the dashboard. The latest iDrive system offers intuitive controls, while the premium Harman Kardon sound system ensures an immersive audio experience. Under the hood, the 2025 BMW X5 offers a range of powerful engines to suit different preferences. The base model comes with a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine, delivering 335 horsepower and 330 lb-ft of torque. For those seeking more power, there's the M50i variant with a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8, producing a staggering 523 horsepower and 553 lb-ft of torque. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and responsive shifts. The X5's xDrive all-wheel drive system provides excellent traction and stability, making it a joy to drive in any condition. So there you have it, folks. A comprehensive look at the 2025 BMW X5. From its striking design and luxurious interior to its powerful performance, the X5 is a true masterpiece. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more exciting car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.